Hey guys, and welcome back to another Style Tip Sunday with Taylor. I am wearing this kind of knit dress. It is A-line. This is size small, and I'm more so going into the medium/large. But I thrifted this maybe 2 years ago from Volunteers of America. It is H&M. It's still really nice, and burgundy, as you know, is a hot color of the season. But I'm feeling a little bit self-conscious with the lower half of my belly section, after having kids and everything. I do have shapewear underneath, but as you can see, there's just a lot of this going on. So I'm going to take this beautiful scarf with all the fall colors. Recently got it from Designer Dress Day Sale. It's 100% silk. And I'm just going to hack and distract from that area by using a belt. So not only will it highlight my waist, but also kind of maybe distract from an area that I may not want to have on display. So I'm just tucking in the little tag there. I'm putting it here. We're taking it to the back, and we're just going to cross it over. This is pretty wide, so here. And then here you can cinch it in if you want. You're just going to take the other side. And then I'm going to just tie like a little knot. If you want, you can tie a bow depending on how long your scarf is. And just kind of adjust it to what's comfortable for you. You can do a knot in the front. I'm just going to do a little knot off to the side. I love how the burgundy ties into the dress. So this is how the dress looks styled with the scarf tied like a obi belt. So as you can see, we still have this area here, but I think with cinching it in, it kind of does a little trick of the eye. You're drawn into the smallest part of my waist, but with this hanging down, it kind of distracts from maybe the lower part of my stomach that I don't really want to have on display as much, even though I am wearing shapewear underneath the dress. It's a nice A-line knit. Obviously, if it was more super flowy, then I don't think you would notice it as much. And I'm sure I'm just the only person that notices that. But just for my own personal comfort, knowing what areas I want to kind of highlight and maybe some areas I don't want to have on display as much, this is a great way to do that. And I think just knowing your body and being comfortable and confident in your clothes, it just makes the outfit. It's like if you're comfortable in your clothes and you're not like constantly fidgeting, or your stature doesn't show that you're confident, it definitely detracts from the outfit. But when you can feel comfortable and confident in your clothes, then I think everyone else can see that. And I got so many compliments on this outfit with my knee-high boots and my jacket that it made me feel super great, because I wasn't thinking about, oh, is my stomach showing or anything like that. So maybe an area that I was more insecure about, I felt super confident in this outfit. So style hack: if you want to highlight your waist, you can use a scarf. Or if you want to kind of distract from maybe your fuller lower stomach area, you can use a scarf. And it looks super fashionable, and it's free.